Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Ghaneva, and if you're new on this channel, you are really welcome to the channel. Today episode we are going to be talking about things you didn't know about 1688 and Alipay. 1688 and Alipay are apps we use in mini importation. If you want to know other apps you can use in mini importation, you can check this video on the screen, and I'll put the link in the description box down below so you get access to them very easily. So these are things you don't know and you won't find it anywhere. It's only my videos that you get these things from. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel and you are watching me, please, I'm waiting for you. Do well to click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and get all our notifications whenever we post on the channel. Now, I'll be also addressing some things in my WhatsApp and Telegram group as well. So if you haven't joined the WhatsApp and Telegram group, you can join as well. So if you have any question or any challenges you are going through, you will let me know on Telegram, and I'll do my best to reply you. So I have some questions in my WhatsApp group and on my Telegram page as well. So I will address some of the questions or challenges people are facing today too on this channel. So first and first, let's address these questions before we get right into some of the things you don't know about 1688 and Alipay as well. So some of the questions are some registration steps, why I have to do real name authentication something, and please, can you enlighten us on how to calculate the prices in cities? So it's three questions, and I'm going to address these questions. So first of all, some registration staffs and the rename authentication something. So when you go to Alipay, you go to settings, you go to account and privacy. When you go to account and privacy, you will see identification, identification there. So addressing that real name authentication and that registration stuff, this is what it simply means. In Alipay, you would need to verify your Alipay with a passport before you can transfer money to your suppliers. So when you verify your account with that passport, you can buy the RMB, that's the Chinese currency, into your Alipay account, and you can do the transfer to your suppliers directly without needing any paying agent. That's what this real name authentication something that someone is asking in the Telegram group is about. And one is, please, can you enlighten us on how to calculate the prices in cities? So the prices on 1688, this is how to calculate it. We use rates. So when you are buying from these people that they are in China and they are selling the RMB, so you get it transferred to your Alipay account when verified. How you calculate is by using that rate they give you. So if their rate is 0.55, you would divide the rate by that price of the things on the 1688, and that would help you to get the price of the 1688 product. So that's how to calculate 1688 prices. So it's either you let this agent pay for you on your behalf, you just send your supplier's Alipay account to the agent and the agent will pay for you, or you verify your Alipay with a passport and the agent will transfer the RMB to you and you pay the supplier directly without needing any agent to pay on your behalf. So that's how it is. Yeah, guys, just pardon me for the background noise. So let's talk about things I've written down here. And if you have anything I won't or I couldn't talk about in this video, you can ask in the comment section, or you will join our Telegram and WhatsApp pages to ask them there. Or if you want to get access to me directly, you can email me pomaiva73@gmail.com, and I will respond to you. So the first thing, let's talk about 1688 before we talk about Alipay. So things you don't know about 1688, one is 1688, you will need to input your address before you can buy something on 1688. Most people don't know. They think you can ship on 1688 and that's all. But if you can ship on 1688, you need to enter your address. The address is what the supplier is going to use to send your things to that address. So you need to first input your 1688 before trying to buy something on 1688. And the second one is you need to link your 1688 to your Alipay, because I've already said it that you pay your suppliers with your Alipay either by agent or by yourself, and I've explained how you do that. So if you want to pay on 1688, it's either you link your Alipay account to 1688. Linking your Alipay account to 1688, I have a video on this channel and you can check them. I've go detailed into it on how to link your Alipay to your 1688, so you can watch it and know how the step is. So you can also either pay by your Visa cards, but I would advise you or recommend to you by paying through your Alipay. And when you pay through your Alipay, it is a reversible action. You can refund yourself if you don't get your things or if you don't get what you bought. I hope I'm making sense, guys. What I mean is, if you pay on 1688 through your Alipay account, you can reverse or you can refund your money back if you don't get what you ordered or if the supplier delays you. That's what I mean. That's what you don't know about 1688, and I hope today you know. And we have tracking on 1688 as well. So when you buy your things, you can track how your things are being managed. Is it leaving the supplier's address? Is it now close to your shipping address location? You can track everything on 1688, and I'm sure you didn't know about this one. Another one I have here is we have something called freight cost. Whenever you are buying something on 1688, there is something called freight cost. This freight cost means that when the suppliers they are sending your things to the shipping address, you are going to pay that fare. They are not sending to the address for free. So whenever you are buying something on the app and you select this price and you will see an increase in that price, you'll be like, how did this happen? Because this is 5 yuan and why is it now maybe 14 yuan? So whenever you are buying something on the app, know that you pay something called freight cost. You should know that. I'm sure you didn't know about this one. And let's get to Alipay. On Alipay, we have something called payment password or identification name. So this payment password means that, so just like you send money through your bank account or through your Momo and you need to enter a pin to approve the transaction, that's the same way on Alipay you will need payment password. And the identification, I've already explained it at the beginning of my video, so I don't think I need to go further again. And the next one you didn't know about Alipay is the RMB, and I'm sure I've also explained that beginning of my video because a lady asked that in our Telegram group, so I've already explained how the RMB works. And the next one is irreversible transfer on Alipay. So this is different from when you link your Alipay to 1688 and you pay 1688 product through Alipay, you can refund it back. But when you make transactions directly on Alipay, you can't refund them back. And that's what you didn't know about Importation on 1688 and Alipay. And today you know. The last one I have here for you is, don't think 1688 and Alipay everything is going to be smoother for you, because there are lots of things about it. You need to track your things, you need to get paying agents, you need to get an address, you need to be talking with that address, the shipping address, you need to also know the price of the things, and even if the things arrive, how it will get to you if you're not close to the company is a different thing. So there are a whole lot of things in shipping things from outside the country. So if you see someone thriving in their mini importation business, don't see them as they are really enjoying their money, because they are really enjoying the hard work of their importation. Because in importation there are a lot of things in there. So if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please why do well to subscribe to the channel today and join our community. And I'm very sure this information I've shared today has really helped someone today. I'll see you in the next video. Please do well to subscribe. Bye.